Carma is a general contractor in Las Vegas, Nevada. Probably the number one thing on our resume right now is the grandstands that are built over the Bellagio pond in support of the Formula One race that happens the weekend before Thanksgiving.
We started Carma back in 2018, my husband and I. We both worked in construction. We actually worked for competitive companies, got some great employees that are still with us to this day.
Construction is, it's a very fast-moving world. And without having that ease of use, time is money. If we have a project and I got a PM on site and he's like, hey, do I have money on my project to, tell this contractor to go? They need that answer right there and then. QuickBooks does not allow you to isolate those type of costs down to that granular level. And yet in construction, this is vitally important information.
We're gonna grow, and we'd rather grow into Acumatica now than make a mess of QuickBooks. It was invaluable to have that software as we grew, be able to handle our growth versus stunting it and staying in small company mentality.
So instead of you bending your processes around the ERP, Acumatica allows itself to bend around the way you do business. Configurability, ease of use, and the cloud platform completely pushed me over the edge because those are differentiators from every other platform that I've seen out there, and that made the difference. What I liked about Acumatica is that it was born cloud-based. It was important because we just simply didn't want to put up with an IT infrastructure. We didn't want a server room and racks and IT support and backups and having to worry about other stuff. We're small, we're nimble.
The configurability of the system has also been huge because every user is going to use the system differently. It allows me to look at what I need to look at on the screen versus what 5 different people need to look at the screen. It's definitely a vital piece. It allows us to be able to efficiently communicate with our project managers. So it is the bridge between both teams.
So Action has been great to me.
We knew that Acumatica was the right solution for their business to take them to that next step within their technology needs and that transformation.
They want to understand how I utilize Acumatica before implementing a change. To me, that's a lot of value.
So just the user friendliness and being able to navigate it easily was huge for me. Also being able to accurately report out of the system. I've actually found Acumatica to be very time efficient. You can pop into the system and find your information inside of probably less than a minute.
We build great, amazing things here in Las Vegas. Acumatica lets me do that because it's constantly improving, constantly taking development cues from its users and implementing it. I see what's coming, and I love leveraging the things that it can do to make my job easier, smarter, better, faster.